So today I will teach you guys the top 3 scooter tricks you can learn at home. You don't need a skate park, no, just use scooter and the right motivation. If you want to support me, like this video. Let's try to hit 1 new subscriber. It's gonna be awesome. Let's start with a decade. My footway is regular. And if your footway is goofy, do the following steps the opposite way. Right up to a 45 degrees angle to be able to easily jump around your scooter. Keep your deck in the same place by pushing your scooter back as you rotate. Don't forget to turn around the bar with you. Full whip. Lift up your front wheel first, because you will gain more height and the full whip will feel a lot easier. Start with a tail whip, then add the bar spin to it to complete the full whip. Unless. Start with a heel whip. Stop the motion at a 90 degrees angle and rotate the deck back. You rotate the deck back by turning the bar to its normal position again. By pushing the bar away from yourself while rotating the deck will help you to stop it from spinning. It's really important to rewatch the parts of the video you didn't understand, but only for the trick you want to learn. And don't forget to stay hydrated.